Welcome. In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to find the limit of a function using the graph of the function. So below, in your notes, it is to the right, but below is a graph of g of x, which is the quotient of x squared minus 1 with x minus 1. And we want to find the limit as x approaches 1 of g of x. So this portion of the limit as x approaches 1 is telling us that we're traveling along the x-axis in this direction. And of course, in this direction, and you're approaching 1. So as we get closer and closer to 1 along the x-axis, what happens to the outputs? Remember, these are the inputs here, the domain, the inputs. Those lie along the x-axis. And then the y-axis, you can find the range, in other words, the outputs. So what you're looking at here is as your inputs get closer and closer to 1, so you're putting in 0, at 0 you have 1, at 1/2 you're about here, and so on. So as your inputs get closer to 1 from both directions, what happens to the outputs? Well, the outputs approach this value here, y equals 2. So the function g, the outputs approach y equals 2. So this tells me that the limit as x approaches 1 of g of x is equal to 2. And before you say, wait, Professor G, this is undefined here. This is an open dot. There is no value there. That's okay. What you are saying is that you're getting really close to this point without actually touching it. And if you get really close, you're approaching 2. Think about visiting, say, a store you like, and you don't realize the store is gone, but you're walking to it and you're approaching that store and it is gone. Well, you're still approaching that spot, even if the store is gone. I hope this video left you as amused as an anteater on an anthill.